Ever wonder what actually happens to a chemical equilibrium when you change the temperature, pressure, or concentration? Most textbooks just say the reaction shifts, but by how much? That's exactly what this calculator solves. The Le Chatelier's principal interactive calculator takes your equilibrium constant, your initial concentrations, and whatever change you're introducing, and shows you the new equilibrium position with actual numbers. Here's a quick example. Take the Haber process, nitrogen plus hydrogen making ammonia. Plug in your K value, your starting concentrations, then double the pressure. The calculator instantly shows you the new equilibrium concentrations and how far the reaction shifted toward products. No guessing, no hand-waving, just clear quantitative results you can actually use for studying, lab prep, or just satisfying your curiosity. The calculator is completely free. Hit the link below, enter your values, and see equilibrium chemistry finally make sense.